Had Hell Let Loose gray screen unknown crash fix. 1. Verify game files. Open Steam library. Right-click Hell Let Loose properties. Select installed files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Restart Steam when the scan finishes. Nashtar 2. Reset local game settings. Close Hell Let Loose in Steam. Press Windows R. Enter sent local app data sent. Find the HLL folder and rename it to HLL score backup. Launch the game again so fresh configuration files are created. This has helped with startup problems reported by HLL players. Number 3. Update your GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel driver. Restart Windows after installation. Launch Hell Let Loose again. If the problem started immediately after a driver update, testing another stable driver version can also help. 4. Remove custom launch options. Open Steam library. Right-click Hell Let Loose properties. Go to General, Launch Options. Remove unnecessary commands. Start the game with a clean launch configuration. Number 5. Try DirectX 12. Open Hell Let Loose's Steam properties. Test the launch option, DX12. Launch the game and check whether the gray screen remains. However, don't treat DX12 as a universal fix. The developers previously acknowledged a DX12 crash affecting certain AMD GPUs. Number 6. Disable overlays. Temporarily disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Turn off Xbox Game Bar. Disable NVIDIA or AMD recording overlays. Restart the game and test again. Number 7. Disable HDR. Open Windows Settings, System, Display. Select your HDR-compatible display. Temporarily turn HDR off. Launch Hell Let Loose again. Some players have reported startup crashes improving after disabling HDR. Sure 8. Check Easy Anti-Cheat. Open the Hell Let Loose installation folder. Locate the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup Repair utility if included. Run its repair option. Restart Windows and launch the game again. This is particularly worth testing if the game crashes around the anti-cheat or startup stage. Hubber 9. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc/scanow. After it finishes, run dism/online cleanup image/restore health, restart your PC, and test Hell Let Loose again. Number 10. Check for hardware stability. If the entire PC freezes, powers off, or restarts instead of only Hell Let Loose closing, investigate system stability separately. Return GPU-CPU overclocks and undervolts to default. Check GPU temperatures while playing. If you use an Expo XMP memory profile, testing at default memory settings can help identify RAM instability. A recent HLL Reddit report found the user's crashes stopped after disabling Expo and identifying a memory issue with memtest 86. Important, the gray screen unknown crash reported in one Reddit thread also affected PUBG, Horizon Zero Dawn, and Baldur's Gate 3, suggesting that this particular symptom can sometimes be system level rather than an HLL-only problem.